Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to put about u equal to sine s squared plus 3s plus 2. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of sine, we have cosine. Later that we do first derivative inside of cosine in here. And this is about the chain rule. So first derivative of s squared, we have 2s. First derivative of s, we have number 1. This one that is about the constant. Next, we see that this is about 4s plus 6. So we need to multiply both sides by number 2. And this one we have 4s plus 6. This one we change by u and we have u squared in here. 4s plus 6 cosine of this one we change by 2 du. The integration of u squared, we have u to the power of 3 over 3, and then I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.